I thought today we'd do the little painting that you see at the beginning of the show, the little animated opening.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making some mini canvas art just like this one. I made a unicorn and this is how it looks. Not my best, but it's pretty good. And what you'll need to make something like this are some acrylic paint or any kind of paint. I got these at on Amazon for $10, and I already had these. And then you're gonna need some brushes. You don't need this much. You only need like 3 or 4, but I got a lot, a variety pack. You can use a mixing palette, or if you don't have one like me, you could just use some paper or foam plates. I have more paint. This one's the new one. I just got extra because I can use both. And I also got some craft sticks to mix the paint if I need to. And some mini canvases to paint on with an easel. You don't have to have an easel, but I think you can just have them to stand them out. And I got these on Amazon for $10 as well. So let's get started. So for my first canvas, I'm going to be painting a donut. So first you're going to draw a circle. And then now we're going to draw the frosting. So we're going to just draw like waves around. Just like this. It doesn't have to be perfect waves because all donuts have different kinds. And then in the middle, you're going to draw a circle, a small circle to make the hole for the donut. And then the frosting's right here. And then now we're going to outline it with a black Sharpie, or I could use paint markers, but I'm using a Sharpie. So just gonna outline the exact same thing as your pencil. So now we're going to make the pink frosting, so we're gonna use pink. So we're gonna use a small brush because it's not a lot. So we're gonna use a hot pink for this. So you might use 2 layers because this paint is not that thick. We're just gonna let the pink dry and then we'll do another coat because it kind of lets the the canvas still show. If your coating is too thin and you want it to go faster, you can just use a blow dryer and then it'll dry faster, or you can just wait a couple minutes. And then you can add a second layer on. So now we're going to do the crust. For the crust, I used orange and white to make a light color. My paint was a little bit too light, so I got a goldish color. It's a little bit more darker and it looks more like crust. So we're just gonna paint this one over. We blow dried it again, so this should be better. Now we're gonna do the background. I mixed a dark blue and a white together, so we're going to paint it. Make sure when you use the same exact brush again, rinse it off before you use it again so you don't mix the colors together. So when you do your sprinkles, all you're gonna need is just a really small brush, just like this one, and you're gonna take the paint, any color you want, and just kind of dab it like that, not too much. So now we blow dried it for a couple minutes, and then now it's all dry. As you can see, it's very dry. And we're going to go over the black lines again. Once you're all done, you can put your name on the front. So I'm putting my initials, VR, and then I outline it just like that. You can make a lot of these because they're very small, and you can hang them in your room, make them for a friend, keep it for yourself, give it to your mom, give it to family, because they're really easy to make. They don't take a lot of time, they're very cheap. So make sure to be creative and make sure to do everything and have fun, and subscribe to my channel and like, and see you guys next time. Bye.